Hello and welcome once again to another session of the Freelance Masterclass. I remain your host and trainer, Nato Pius Marichelino, and today we will be looking at how we can learn on HubSpot Academy. Okay, but first we need to know exactly what is HubSpot. HubSpot is a CRM tool that offers features such as sales features, marketing features, customer service related features to businesses and brands. Okay, so HubSpot is a tool that brings these features together and makes it possible for businesses and brands to use this feature in a seamless manner. However, we are not looking at the tool HubSpot. We are looking at another arm of HubSpot, which is the HubSpot Academy. That is the educational arm of HubSpot that enables interested persons to learn a skill. And for some, the skill available on HubSpot Academy, you can actually get a certificate for free. All right. So join me as we head over to the HubSpot Academy. To get to this particular page where we are, you just need to go to the URL hubspot.com. Again, it is hubspot.com. Once you are here, you scroll down to where you have resources. Just hover your mouse around the resources and bring it further down to the educational section. Okay, there are so many other sections, but our focus is on the HubSpot Academy. So under the educational section, you want to scroll down to free courses and certification. So a click on that will take us to the HubSpot Academy. Here we are. On the HubSpot Academy, you would see varieties of different skill set. Okay, so when we scroll down, we see different skills, different courses. Some of them are certification courses, while others are just short courses. Okay, the difference is simple. Those that are certification courses are the ones that you can get a certificate for them after completing the courses satisfactorily. Okay, while those that are just short courses are quite good courses, okay, though they are short, but you do not get to receive a certificate even after completing them. Those are the differences. How do you differentiate them? Two ways you can do that. The first is look out for this logo on any of these courses on the interface here. Okay, anywhere you see this logo, it shows that it is a certification course. Another way is to check out at this end here. It's always written there that this course is a certification course. Why these ones are not certification courses, okay? They are just short courses, but it does not make them less important. For instance, LinkedIn marketing for business is a hot cake, okay, for digital marketers. So for the fact that it is not a certification course does not make it less important. All right. Another way you could want to fish out which course is a certification course and which one is not is to simply scroll all the way up and head over to where we have certifications. Once we click on certifications, it will filter out the short courses, leaving us with only courses that are certification courses. All right. So that said, we head back to the courses in general. All right. That takes us back to where we came from, and that is all the courses available on HubSpot. Okay. So it's still loading. But then once we're here, how then do we begin? To begin learning on HubSpot, the first thing you want to do is to sign up for an account. All right, sign up for a free account on HubSpot. And how do you do that? Click on the sign up for free courses. Once you click on that, it will take you to the process of signing up for a free account on HubSpot. Okay, I want to advise you that whatever account you're signing up for, make sure that you supply your details, your legal details, especially if you intend taking certification courses. Okay, because the name you provide on HubSpot is the name that will appear on your certificate. So you want to be sure that you provide your legal name the way you want it to appear on your certificate. That said, here we are on the sign up page. So two ways you can sign up. You can either click on sign up with Google. Of course, if you're to sign up with Google, you will need to provide your Gmail account. So it's expected that you are either signed in, just like I am already signed in this case. So I can easily sign up with Google, or you can decide to sign up manually if you feel the name on your Google account is not your legal name that you want to appear on your HubSpot certificates. All right. So you can go ahead and fill in the name the way you want it to appear on the certificate, fill them in manually, fill in your email address, and once this is filled, this button here will automatically pop up. But in my case, I'd rather go with the sign up with Google since that is the option I want to use. I click on sign up with Google and the Google interface will pop up on the screen for me to choose which account I want to sign in with. All right. So here I'll click on the first account and the only account here at the moment. Once I click on that, it will take me over to another phase of the sign up process. So here is another phase of the sign up process. I am asked what field do I work in? So I can choose whatever field that suits me or that describes my current occupation. It could be service, customer support, it could be administration, it could be marketing, it could be sales, and it could be any other. If you don't find any of these, okay, to describe your profession, you could choose other, all right? So in my case, I could go ahead and choose marketing or sales, all right? So I'll go with sales, for instance. It's asking me to search for job roles, okay? So I will just go ahead and put in digital marketing, all right? So you can see these are job roles for me. So you can see we have digital marketing manager or digital marketing specialist. All right. So I can go ahead and choose the second digital marketing specialist. All right. So just choose what defines you or describes you better. All right. So I'll click on next and then it's asking me for my company's name. So I can use a company that I'm familiar with. So McPhail Digital Agency. The essence of this is because HubSpot expects that those who are using their platform are business people or they are employees of a company. Okay, so these particular resources are targeted at employees of companies that use HubSpot for their company processes, either for sales or marketing, for customer service or whatever it is. All right. So you want to just plug in any of this data, but if you are not working with any company, feel free to use this information that I am providing you on my screen. So once this is settled, I can click on next and then it's asking how many people work at my company. All right, so I could use the number 51 to 200, or I could go as far as 201 to 1000, or whatever describes my company. I just go ahead and choose that. So I'll use 51 to 500. What is the company's website? Now, this is where you will need a legal website. Okay, you need a legal website. And if you don't have, again, you can go ahead and use the one I will provide right here. So this is a legal website, all right, that is owned by me. So if you don't have a company's website, you could try using these, okay? Another option is you could try using your Instagram URL, okay? That can actually sell. But if that does not work for you, your Facebook could work. If your Facebook does not work for you, your LinkedIn could work. But if those do not work for you, rather, you could just go ahead and use mine, all right? This is my website. So you could click, once you supply that information, click on create account and your account will be automatically created for you. Just wait a few moments and your account will be all ready to use. So here we are. I'm being asked to take a short quiz, okay, to enable them, that is the HubSpot Academy, give me the best start and tailor my learning. All right. So I can decide to either take the quiz or just show catalog. All right. So I will open this in another tab if I can. I don't think I can do that. So I'll just simply take the quiz. All right. That's gonna that what do I want to improve my knowledge in? Is it marketing? Is it sales? Is it service, customer service, or website design? Okay, I could choose any of these options that I wish to. So I can decide to go for website development, all right? And then it will provide me with options. What is my main motivation for learning? Do I want to advance my career or do I want to stay on top of my current trend? Okay, on top of current trend in my industry. All right, and here I've been told that there are 47 courses on website design alone. Okay, so I can decide I want to advance my career. Just choose whatever suits you. Okay, To advance my career, I will need only two certificate courses that are available here. Okay, but if I want to stay on top of the current trend, then it means I will have to just go through all the courses. So I'd rather go with this because it avails me opportunity to check out all the courses under what I have chosen, which is website development. Okay, so I'll choose this. And here we go. These are the different courses available as far as website development is concerned. Okay, we have over 47 results, about 47 results. Okay, so I can click on view all 47 results, and there I will be able to see exactly what the courses are. So here we go. You can see this is an introduction to data visualization. Right, this is reporting, renewing, and upselling growth-driven design client. All right, so all these courses are basically geared towards making you a better website developer or a web designer. Okay, all of these courses would only provide you the knowledge, adequate knowledge you need, okay, to design a website. So many of them. All right, so you could check out the certification courses if you want to, and you can as well switch to another um, dimension altogether. If you feel you're no longer interested in the web design path or learning path, you could just head over to catalog and then choose a learning path that suits you. If it's marketing, if it's sales, if it's service, or web design again, operations, whatever. Okay, so let's check out sales and see what we have here. All sales, and that will bring out all the available courses under the sales section. Okay, so you can see these are available courses under the sales section. Now, one thing is very pertinent here. You see that all these are short courses. So taking just these short courses alone cannot earn you a certificate. All right. So you want to be sure that if your goal is to get a certificate of completion at the end, then what do you have to do? What you need to do is head over to where we have award type. Click on it. You get a drop down. Select only show certificate courses. Once you click on that, it will automatically filter out the courses that are certification courses. Okay, just as you can see, this is certification courses for 5 hours on sales management. This is inbound for 3 hours. This is another 3 hours course on inbound sales. Okay, so it is these courses that you can take, and at the completion of the course, you'll be awarded a certificate. Okay, so this is basically how you can learn on HubSpot. Of course, to begin any of these courses, all you need to do is just click on any of them, and automatically you will be taken through the process of learning. All right, just as you can see coming up on my screen, the course is about to begin. All right, and it's showing me the learning path. I'm beginning with the first, which is sales management certification intro video, and this will span for a period of 7 minutes. And that is how I would go further down until I take the last course, I take my exam, all right, and then I will be fit or awarded a certificate of completion. So to begin the learning process, all you need to do is just to click on the play button.
Hey, it's Kyle with HubSpot Academy. If you're in sales management,
Once that begins, your learning automatically begins. A scroll further down the page will show you exactly who it is that is teaching you, or the one who is instructing you on this course. All right, the person called the learning professor in this case is Kyle Jepson. And if you want to read about him, you can do that just on this brief bio here. To follow this person, follow them on Twitter, or follow them on LinkedIn. So this is how exactly you can learn on HubSpot Academy and get a free certification or free certificate rather for your learning. Thank you for joining.